Warga Patisi TV.
Kinoy alam snong berkitra jaka kelapen pau bakim dan kenu gajing persya barki keloy ban pediang na kebenta ka roy kapar jong kajela ban sna penhe ya ka Shillong Airport ka badan lupa ha ka snong umroy riphoi district ha ka jing pensngau pat ba ka bala pelong da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ha ka nyau trik risau ajak pesan kinoy alam snong berkitra jaka kelapen pau ya ka jing angnut ba ka Airport Authority of India kan aikam aijam ki samla trai snong barki samla trai jela khamtam ha ka ni ka juk kerduk kam
lembaga ji penhek kini airport ka jiwan jung ki tourist kan long ka bakham he khambun bani ki ba mensua te na kaliang ka jonga ngakwa ban keranteng te poin bat habai ni pai habai di ki tourist ni yo i ba ka don shisha ki jing yo nong ba ki nong song snong jung ki yo ba ki driver lokal mo iba inya kali iba kadon sisa ka jingarap badi kam ka juki nang tagi babu igi dukan ru kadon sisa ka jing yo nong ba lembag ki jiwan juki ni ka turis kirap sisa iya kayo ka kot happening jong kinong sesnong ki jongi ti ngakwa ru banbu ka jing keli ka ni report ba larangi ong ba ka jing yo nong kawan lembag kejiwan jengki ki tourist te balai bangin concentrate pan tang sya kawai ka jaka ta ka kejing keli ka jama kamdei bang ngadon kejing bisni kejing kunhun ya ki jaka ki peladep ban develop ki sora ki we mo ni hari boiru ngakwa panitu bagi idon ki legendary spot ni idon ki jaka ki balak ban develop ya ki tourist spot iban lese kita turis anda kilawan mulai ke airport kejungi kilik kai ketika dicakap kejungi ni don ke maksud ni don dikiram ba bun seti serum tinggal kuat pada kalian juga setiap kacim ya kejigit klik abai ibu bekane ba haba ngiong ba lembaga kejiwan jung gini ki turis kan yarap ya ke yok ke kot umut ba nah kalian ke setiap kan hap bersimpia nabanta kini ki jaka ki ba kari boy gadon dan ki time roy ki jingi gidon dan hap barok boy gestir kata kali ka jing terang ba ka jing kuat ka juma ti kumban ya turu ba haka banengkok ya kani ka pot la ai da ki long shwa ki manswa ngilai keren mana bangila sacrifice sibun ni don lightly ki madang hangne lightly ki madang football sa kumka jipentit yuki ladak kumha kani gajuk mental se kata ki madang football kila balong ki national stadium lana ki international stadium tani menta kumai nama ba kajing kuat kajuki ban yok ya kalet kawan ka besuk hajaka bakin ai ya ka ne kajaka saka sport department ringila ai no saka sport authority nama bangi kuat bakin suk kalet kawan haji syak berpitik bagi kena kejungi bilang betul ka sport kamtam football jadi wala ka taruh ki sacrifice kata ya ai no saka sport kata kamu bagi longswa kejungi kiyo i kam jengai balembaga jungwan jung kani ka pot ese kanyarap ya kalit kawan ka supersan.
If we take this point, it is about we have to talk about pollution. According to my understanding, we have to talk about pollution. So I think so there is no pollution from airport till date because we are living in this new generation. If we build toilet also, it is a septic tank toilet. It's not like before we just put a bamboo or a lock and we go there. So if we think about our water and everything also, we cannot see that the airport here is polluting our environment. So till date, we can say that the airport has not done anything which can pollute the environment or any pollution hazard, we can say. So from our side, I would like to request that if any new project comes also, it's okay, but look first for the safety of the nature so that it won't affect the nature and it won't affect the trees or whatever surrounding in our area. So we will work together for the development of our state.
Ngala Shong bat hagani airport bun siang ngasek pek kini nanti haoi kadon kijik mentoy sibun ini kinong song hamtam yani kibal asyong naduk mensuwa ni sibun bagi jingkawa hagabang kiwan ke di airport bagi kon samla kiyo kikan kibaper na kikan sepra arka mission bat kunju ni ki omroy bat nongra Menta usnem ne habang ngi hamtam ni airport bakalong pumunta kasi ke hearing ngi pakisar kila don di kasi kalau ngadap dari dokumen ke bakra menin kong ki khat ya ke hearing omdon kasi ke bawan kita khat sudah ngawan di hearing ke ban kong do ke bakat hamte handai omdon ke bawan di kasi ke officer kalau tang dokumen bat kunju anda habakan ni airport kendala penhe Ngangai scam, bagi kasih jumi, habis kita kipus kita per, kikun sama, kinong kibana kasih. Ngana kentok nang, ngana kentok, badai tang niki tajani, kita tajani, kita pas lagi. Ngangai scam, ada kentu, kumai kita mbak dia kentu, kita jom. Soba, bagi tongkan, soba bagi tongkan, kenang. Na bentai kikun sama jenging nikong na kani kapor hakan kejaka lada om dan su ngira bersimpan na jawe kaben nikong kwa ban kam ongi bisa papim dei ban ai kapor ka balikot lese nama kikut jengi kidon batre sabar kidang don kijing kuliah sabar kima ban tep ya kapos kijong ki laki ai kum kijing pertah hearing ke bamina masen kimon por wat tak silap ikikot lu nama kitip hi Pasal ni sathan jengi kalai kam dadon bakal di hakha. Dia kajen jing la dah pipetit hak dak ya ka pamenta. Dia nak kerpa ni bisa la dah don pipos ke bala. Semua bah iPhone pentip cek kirang pak senang. Pentip ai hak YouTube ka bakamta ka banta ni ka ba ai YouTube bakan like pipos sangta ikon sama kila pentip. Boleh kidon saya jengai ru indre kila pentip iki. Bukan ni kun sama mentang jadi kuliah siapa? Habang lawan kini airport kita jengi la dadam kata kepala he. Tidak sok benyak sate siapa kau hati. Tidak lak penwan benyak ben kieu nang ni. Pegawai sa di tingkat pas ke jangan kelong. Ba lada. Pi don kono no po office. Hamtam di kontrak habala pen he ni kan kita jangan airport. Di kontrak lada ki don ki bala ben pentrei na kan kita Ngakar pa ni pisa kin item dem ya ki try senong ki bala isim ya kakam kontrak jang kiru. Rada pin ai awana seki rekin nam la kanti. Kiru pin nam la kanti mono bala menteri yang kakam kontrak. Kataru ngakar pa ni pisa bifide ban ai kapor ka bakam pelut. Bakumno ba kita ki bala lak menteri yang kakam kila banwa jingtiap ba kila pentep ikikat kisla.
Anggi kersan bang hindon kono gajing persa ya kan gajing penhe ya kan ka airport namar bakal gajing kurku ga bakra dan rengin kwa bakal gajing penhe kan kut tang ikut sada kata ka ka bana kali gajing ilang concern namar ka por yo snow ban penhe ban penhe hare lakut gisdam kawe ka pateng kalek kawe generation kalek ru kan ka porlang tiga ka bana kali jung kinong ilam sedong idon ka ban pensno siai Idiam idon kat pangiang ni bakal lo kubur. Siya ka sorkar jela ka jungi bakin ai ka pressure ya ka airport authority of India bikin per step ya kan kam. Namar bangin kwa bakan ka jipenhe ya kan ka airport kat bakadi ban long menta ikwa ban pendek no ka generation jeni ngim kwa ba di kun kisi dengan pendek ta kata ka di ka poin ka ban kong ki bakwa ban pensno hang ni ka poin ka baar ka bangakwa ban pensno hang ni ngalayo ban priang ya ka jing pentip menimit kendai siten leng ba ka WhatsApp kila pentip bakandan ke public hearing kat ke public hearing ban priang le persya ya ka jing penek airport mudur mopi menimit yo menta step ni ha banwan tingi is no concern ya kajing expand ni airport takadaw ni perlak ka por ka pakodo ni bandar na kani kesni bat sa ka point sa ngakwa ban shim na kani kajing perbana pa ba latho ya ka tin kasi ka bang kumni ka letter head hang ni kalong Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kajing perbana pa ba Detit Shillong Laitrik Satamba ada Arsan da kani la pentik pa ba aba Shillong Airport Umroi Jong ka Office Airport Authority of India katmu ban penhe ya kat limsun barapani Shillong kentup ya ka runway extension penhe ya ka terminal building bat apron bat kiwi gikam kiwi day bat kani haru ing soba Surdarship East Khasi Hill District Meghalaya lalu mo habang ya opule ya kani kesici habang bat penhe ya ka Shillong Airport lada berkeren ni ba esliang mene kamde ka Shillong Airport ka di barapani airport Om tak kata hang ni la ong ru bakani kandai haruing soba Surdarship East Khasi Hill District Meghalaya. Apa nyo jing sai na concern department. Hai ka don kan garuing hang ni po riboy dan berkat tapi tak garuing. Garuing ka don si po soba. Kumno kabadi ban penhe apa umra airport pira si po soba. Hatu kani kamde kajing careless nak kani concern department imat ya kani ka jing kutip la su copy and paste. Dia apa copy and paste dah correct suam pinsam cepat ba kalau ngajing ibe kiti kakuni chairman bansanya kani members kiti bansanya kani ka notice kalau ibe khamat jong pai ba khamat jong ka jela ka jini kiwi kani kistik kiwi kani kalau ngajing ibe dengan nakal yang jong ngakwa amde bang persaan renga peni ka mesti ka jong pi ba kani ka jaka ban penlong ya ka public hearing kamde po ruba sora Surdarship East Khasi Hill District harga de po riboy district Terus ngapok penyo bagi pesan ngapok ka concern department balik kalau bumi. Dia ka baampat ngabang itu ka ketika kerteng ru bagi sobha ban pendek. Namar niwan hang ni bagi kwa ban kersan. Ya kani ka jin penhe ya ke airport. Ka baampat ka balai pat ka kwa ban kan hang ni kalong ba. Kumbolong menta kadon ka gap. Da buburong. Kadon kata ka harai ka ba kamdon ka jing telang hapren ka Airport Authority of India bat kidor ba snong jong kani ka surrounding lada kamdon ka jing telang i ba kadon ka jing mala sizes ni namar ba habangi warra ya kanu ka jing karoy ka pa gidan kam to pi kidor ba snong lada don ka jing telang hapren ka ba snong kamdon jing nama ka jing tili ka long ka bo tinama kata-kata ka pangakwa ka banbu hakmat jong kini ki officer ki bawan napo ka district nang taki kini ki officer napo ka Airport Authority of India ru sobhase kandon kata ka jing trilang hapadeng kidor bar snong jong kani ka surrounding ka badan marjan bakani ka airport kanang bakan don kanu ka jing la sajis ni namar ko molong matang ka pi kadon ka kharay ba ka pinekla hapadeng ki nong snong jong kidor bar snong di badan hapo surrounding jong kani Airport Authority of India tidak go burom ngabu ka proposal na ay ka suggestion pi banang ni sakma keep in touch bat kidor bar snong khang ba kanu ka kam ka badan hang ni airport kanya smooth kala ay kabantulun jai pa jai bakano kanomi kano kajinge
ngiptiang subhabat lada dun kamro ngin nang yatrila bat hagawai gepor hagadano gepor badon kam ngin yatrilang bat nabanta kajing mentoy ya ke imlang salang ya ke distrik ya ke jela ya ke ri baru kawai tamba kawai ngansu ajing mut ba kum gap public hearing kipai ba nong susnong le se kamtam gini landowners kiba sakta most affected mo landowners kide bendon lang kide ben yo snow da skor ndrei ngayo i ko baong asyok mene ka suki ka thlilut teng danyo hang ne kinong susnong kanungut kidon toyang na omdon tangi katto kane batip menta ngiwan syutip baik acenok kumbong ketin hindi acenok se te kani ka msut tenan ngamde bekentok ngim sut tenan te tong ipriang subha ya ka ke baga sarkar ni yaro yaga nagbanta ka development ngiyaro ngi ay kublay ba kibor bahalor kile nam ta ka jinmentoy ban develop yaga ri bat kajat benriu yaga state yaga ri India baro kowe te hagaju ko por nga jimot hoat nilai kran sipang ka tungkam tungjam jobs kemo ka job reservation gane gai you tigidan kita ki skill bala keren mene to kita ngipriang lada omla ndon unong tresnong banang ne ga than ga area umroy area baro ko kam tam gining san snong ailat shagi weiro kari khasi jentia gidang don kiwei gidang don lada ngi nang ne ngim tibit ailat shagi wei gi district ro lada don sigi taun ra na bar state ro umlele tang kata ko wei ngamut ban ajimon da badang don hi khasi jentia jungi ailat iki umlele gide gi parado prasnam jungi gide gi hok ban yo maki lada mangi gi tresnong na ngim yo hok gide ga hok chumki begide ban yo marki ngi im hapo ri khasi ngi im po kari jungi gide hok ngasngo ban kersan ni kene bakide ban yo lada yo asu gi wegi tresnong kibaya kibasa ta ga jing ta karpot bat sa ga weiro ngakepat kibar bahalar kibar na district isar selai la tip ha ke jing bede bagane ga expansion ke pamensua ka jing hantu kibun gitrai jeka ki hap syong wai kimyo e ga ho kaner ko wei ngap pen ken mau ba ya kibar bahalar to se kum ga jing kerpat penyo no ga ho jengki namar bun gitrai jeka ki ba kaner bala dep simru kile andat protes kidan gibele andat protes kidan gitraying biyo tang sao po hacharo kajaka gimyo tekin simle yu ya kata kim lang tagap song ying wai kum gane gaji pen kan mau to pen ngapen sngo gane gapor kum juro sagawai pat to kata jiwan garpot kamat wan to ya trilang bat ki borsno bat ki trashno ya in touch authority lase na airport authority touch cooperate with the localities any issues locally we should cooperate at least I must have given one suggestion at least once in a year get together meeting along with the airport authority official should be there with the locality. What is the problem in here surrounding? To bring the peace and should be any others like any should be happen here in the airport area. We are most welcome to cooperate with you.
Basically, the Shillong Airport is being expanded. Right now, we have 1829 meters of runway. We are going to expand for another 571 meters. So total 2,400 meters will be the length of the runway. Then bigger aircraft like A320 can land here. Accordingly, we are going to expand the terminal building also. Presently, it is 5,000 square meters. After expansion, it will be 10,500 square meters. Besides that, we are going to increase the number of bay where aircraft are being parked and bigger aircraft will be parked. These are the main things. What is the grade? It's a same. Actually, grade in terms of now it's a 3C code. In terms of 3C code, and it will become 4C, something like that. It will become 4C codes. Yes. Actually, right now the expansion works will be taken over by the agencies. We will ensure that that's as far as possible, the semi-skilled peoples, unskilled peoples are taken from the nearby villages. For others, we will ensure that according to their qualifications, needs, we will definitely ensure them that people from highly skilled and other specialized skills are also given the opportunities.
So till date, how many percent of your staff we have local, not only from this part of the state, but from other states also?
It's almost about 70 to 80% people are from local here only. No. We ensure that the agencies who employ the peoples are from nearby villages here, and local peoples only.
So after the completion of this expansions, so what will be the requirement of the employee?
What will the requirement we will see definitely now suppose that passenger footfall is 1.5 millions per year, suppose that then it will go to around, we hope that the 5 to 6, so definitely the things will be increased to 3 to 4 times.
So part of your employment issue, through your CSR project, what else that the local people get benefits?
Regarding CSRs, last time we have taken up the Dhobi Ghat, something like that, and this time we have got the proposal from one blind school that proper facility and hostel facility should be there. We are working on it.
Actually, regarding diversion of the drain within the airport, we have already met Commissioner and Secretary Transport. We'll be working with the irrigation department to properly divert the drain to the location.
We will take the remediation actions.
Right
It's a tendering stage. It's the tendering stage. We are working on it.
What is your target of completion, like a deadline?
So it takes some time. It's a lot of departments are involvement. So I can't say right now, but as far as it will take around 18 months, something like that. After award of votes, it will take 18 months. Hopefully, let's see what happens.
What is your view on, like, today this is a public hearing, but most of the public, only the few leaders were there and give us support. But
We have advertised it. We have asked each and every people to come and join us. In fact, yesterday we visited the local nearby villages also to build the headmen and secretaries.
what was maybe the reason we didn't attend?
So, what is the reason I can't say it. But we have asked everybody to come here.
Didn't give a proper publicity.
We have published in papers, in 2 papers also. Well, a lot of people from nearby villages are working here in the airports only. So there are right publicity, as is not. So actually we are not aware how many people are aware. This is the first time, so we will assess it for next time.
Are you happy with this?
No, we have asked everybody to come. We have not objected to anything. We have made an arrangement also. So I was very just positive about it. Thank you.
Pin rius pa ya kak tien la jong pin dam kam ya ka bakan kiyo kak tien khasi kak tien la jong ai kan roi kan pa balai phi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka kan tien khasi kardop lani phalor bli lani khang ya ka tu ka phalor ni ju ya ong Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong banya kiw yaw up, hinrengi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi dakapati CTV, nakabenta ka jingmantoy upat ba.